Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Arte y Cocina with Lizzie. Bienvenidos. Welcome to my kitchen, your kitchen. Today, I'm going to cook something for you very, very simple. Every time I go to the supermarket and I buy some plantains, they ask me how you cook that. Well, today I'm going to have to cook you something with the green plantains that is a little bit different. We cook the plantains different ways, many different ways. And we cook them ripe and we cook them green. So don't go away, then I'm going to tell you what you need and what are we going to make with the green plantains. Okay, my friends, so for the arañitas, we're going to need a very green plantain. They have to be very green, okay? You're going to need one of these, salt, a knife, oil in the skillet, and a place where you're going to do the green plantain, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do, my friends, is to go ahead and peel the green banana. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is how you do it. You're going to get a knife that is dull. You don't want a knife that is very sharp, okay? And we're going to start with the ends. Look how green it is, okay? I cut it like this because usually I do that, but I don't want you to get caught. So you do that. And then we're going to make a line in the hump of the plantain. You also can make one in the back. And the reason we don't want you to have a very sharp knife is because when you start peeling it, you have to be very careful, okay? And this is what you start doing. And then with your thumb, you're gonna help you to open the plantain, okay? And that trick my grandmother years and years ago told me when I was very small, okay? So you're gonna start helping you with your thumb, and then you get back again and pull it like that, okay? Look. It's a little bit of work, you just have to be careful, but it's not that bad. So I turn it again, and you want to try to buy a plantain that is not very curvy, because when they're very curvy, the straighter the plantain, the better it is. When it's very curvy, it's a little bit more work for me. For those who are experts, well, you know. So anyway, let's keep doing this. And there we go, we got a peel. So the next thing that my grandma used to teach me, let me get this out, okay, was to scratch the green plantains or the green bananas when you're gonna make the Puerto Rican dish of pasteles. Okay, so we call it arañitas, which is like little spiders, because when you fry them, it's gonna look like little spiders, but they don't have nothing to do with spiders, okay? So look how nice. A lot of people don't do this, but my grandma used to tell me that you have to do that so they don't turn too brown. Now let's go ahead and wash the green plantain, and now I'm going to show you the rest. We're ready to start grating the green plantain. So you're going to use the biggest that you're going to have in your grater, okay? So this is too small, this is the big one, and that's what you want. And you want to do this, grate your green banana. Let me tell you something. I learned this, my mama don't used to make it. It was a cousin who asked me if I knew how to make arañitas, and I told him no, I don't even know what you're talking about. Well, mom never, you know, make none of that stuff. So he explained me, and this is what you use to make that. Instead of tostones, we're gonna make the arañitas. And this is all you need to do. And be careful when you are on the very end, you just throw that away. okay? And you're gonna have this. So we're gonna use a little bit of salt, and don't put way too much. This helps for the this plantain not to keep going and get brown, because they start getting brown really, really easy. So you put a little bit of salt in there. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make like a little ball and squeeze it like that, and you see what's gonna happen. Well, once our oil is hot, then we're gonna get the arañitas and we're gonna start frying them. Okay, remember, you make a ball and then you smash it a little bit, and don't start moving or anything, because they're gonna start falling apart if you move too soon. So let's go ahead and have first the arañitas cook in the bottom, and then we're gonna keep moving them. Okay, we just have to move it 1 or 2 times. It's not gonna be more than that. So remember, once you get the little bowl, let me get another little bit. That is so they get together, okay? Then we're gonna smash, okay? And then we're gonna fry. I fix some of them like that in the plate, and then I squeeze them again so they don't start falling apart. And that's why we call it arañitas, little spiders, because you see those little things like legs everywhere. How cool is this? I'm gonna keep cooking some traditional dishes from Puerto Rico for you, so you see what's going on with these boricuas. Okay, so now that they're ready, we're gonna turn it. Okay, look how cool. It looks like those little potatoes. They're very thin. That's how it looks, but tastes different. So we're gonna keep frying it until they become a little bit brown. This one is ready. We can move it. And let me go ahead and get the other one to fry. If the oil gets way too hot, you can go ahead and get it down. I got it down in 8. This one kind of broke a little bit, but it's okay, because it's going to taste good no matter what. So let's go ahead and move them again. And remember to get ready a paper towel in the place where you can put that and drain the excess of grease, okay? And this is almost done. And I'll see you in a minute when I serve the arañitas for you. Remember to salt your arañitas when they're hot, okay? So you put a little bit more salt, and then if you need more, then you add a little bit more salt. But when they're hot is the best time for you to put salt on it. So we have a barbecue chicken today, and all I want to cook for me and my granddaughter is just the chicken and some arañitas. And then you can use the Jum Jum sauce. Believe it or not, it tastes really good with this sauce, excuse me. And this is the best Jum Jum sauce that I have tried beside the one in the restaurants. The other brand I do not like, but this brand I just love it. Or some ketchup. And I decided to use today some ketchup. I am gonna try the arañitas with my chicken and the ketchup. Do you hear this? How crunchy it is? Look how they look after you have the first bite. Simplemente delicioso. Delicious. But I invite you to cook some of those, and let me know in the comments down there. And if you're new, remember to subscribe. I have few English classes, not many, but enough for you to now and then watch all of this and make it a date with me. So my dear friends, thank you for being here with me. God bless you. Many kisses, a big gigantic hug, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.